Hello and welcome to Middle-Aged Geek Girl. I'm Sally. Today is part 2 of this awesome cupcake set from LOZ, and it will be building this Piggy Cupcake here because, just as a reminder, we did the strawberry one already. And here it is. I have actually stuck it in with some blue tack so that it doesn't come out when I want to just show it around, and you can't see it really, and especially when the cover goes on it you won't see it. So that's the first one that was done in the last video in its base. So this video shouldn't be too long if I've only got to build the cute little Piggy Cupcake. So I'm starting on page 12, step 26, and just to have a look, I think the last cupcake, yeah, page 21, step 49, because we already did the base, and then it will be about putting the cover on and tying it with the ribbon. Okay, so as you can see, it's all completed and together. So now I'm going to attach it to the base. And as I said at the beginning of the video, I just do it with a bit of blue tack. So it doesn't fall out. You don't have to do this. This is just, I like to have that extra support for it. So he's all ready to go in. Pop him in and just push him down a little bit. Yep, he's in. It doesn't matter if it comes through on the bottom. I don't really mind. You don't look at the bottom. But there it is, all done. And he's put in next to the other cupcake. So this is the building portion done. And I'll do photos at the end, as I always do, so you can see it a lot better. But that's just to show you what it's like outside of the case, because the good thing with this one, to show you the box, it does come with its own cover to make it look like cupcakes you bought from a cupcake shop. Ooh, that came out as a wrong word for a second then. And here is the cover and the ribbon. Okay, so I've moved the camera up a bit so we can see this part in action. So this is the cover it comes with, which I love the fact it comes with its own cover to make it look like a proper cupcake brought from Cupcake Shop. And that time I said it correctly. So I'll get the ribbon out ready as well. But the first thing you've got to do is peel off the film. I always try to find the part that's at least a little bit folded away, and I'm using my wrong thumb as I do. Anyway, there we go. Yay. And this is where it loses its pristineness and gets all your fingerprints all over it. So no matter how pretty it was at the start, it's not going to be pretty at the end. And the film is on both sides, so always remember to do both sides. Might have to use my tweezers. It doesn't look like there's any bit that was folded. There we go, that wasn't so hard. I mean, you could always do this with gloves on if you didn't want to get your fingerprints on it, but I'm not that fussed, to be honest. There we go, so the film's off. So pop that in there, pop that in there. Same with this side, pop that in there, and pop that in there. So there is your cover. Now when I did my first cupcake, I had real trouble with this next part, which is going to sound silly because you think this would be the easy part. Actually, there's a step before that part. Before I forget it, there are stickers that you put on the cover so it looks like even more that it belongs in a shop. So you've got your little like keep refrigerated sticker there. Oh no, the corner ripped off on that. Wonder if I can try and do a botchy repair job. Just try and re-stick it on there. Let's see how that goes. Oh yes, not a perfect sticker, but at the same time, this doesn't look too bad. I managed to salvage that. Very happy with that. Now, as I was saying, this is the step when I did the first cupcakes that I found the hardest, believe it or not, was putting this on this base. Now, obviously when I built the base, as you could see, it's got the ridging, so the base should just fit in those ridges. So the first thing you need to know is that all your signs are within the boundaries. And you think, there you go, it's on, but it's not, because you've got to get it right with the ridges. And this was the bit that was frustrating, because you'd get one side in, like so, and then all the other sides would pop out. All the bricks would break on the bottom. So it was just, it took me a while on that first one, to be honest, because I was breaking the base. I broke bits off the cupcakes, and it's always because it just, oh, there we go, I think because when I do the folding, I might fold it a bit too tight. But that, nope, see, it's not in the front. There we go. Stay. I think that will do. So let's just gently put that there and we'll get the ribbon out. Alrighty, so now we gently put the cupcake. As soon as you touch it, it all wants to move. Now when you build the base, it does have the bit in the middle where the ribbon can sit. So you're not actually, sorry I hit the camera then, so you're not actually knocking the ridged areas of the bricks. Now, the old-fashioned way of wrapping, so you do it in the center, then you do that. Now this one is a bit weirder because it just wants, obviously because you don't want it to be too thick, so you just take the one strand and you bring it around the bottom like so. So this one you brought around. Now it says to put it under here. I never did a bow like this, like I would wrap it around twice, but I get why it doesn't want you to do that because you don't want it to be too thick. And then you try and tie a bow. Whilst trying to maintain some of that tightness around the ribbon. Here we go, how's that look? It's not perfect. It's not even very good. I'm going to try that one again. That will do. And then the idea is you just trim it. There, done. Don't care. It's not perfect. Don't care. It's my cupcake shop. It's not going to be a perfect cupcake shop. I mean, if I wanted to, I could stick that down a bit, but I don't care. But that's it. I mean, I love the way it just presents like that. So that was a rather messy job. But it's done, and as always with LOZ you get lots of leftovers, so not a complaint there. So as promised, I have done all 4 cupcakes, so I will now do a slideshow of the photos of all the cupcakes. But here is the other packaging, and you can already see I did that way nicer, but I had such pain tying it. But just to show you the base, so you want you to just go around it once so it's not double thick, and it has those bits cleared out when you build the base so that the ribbon will fit in. But they're the 2 cupcakes. As I said, there will be a slideshow coming of what they look like. So thank you for watching. If this is your first time watching, or you have done so for a while and have yet to subscribe, please subscribe, hit that like button and the notification bell, and also leave a comment on what you thought of these cupcakes. I think they're adorable. They are really, really cute. Hard to pick a favourite, because that's why I got both of them, because they're both so cute. It really is hard to pick a favourite. Maybe the Piggy one slightly over all the other 3, but that's me. Let me know what your favourite is down in the comments. If you're interested in supporting my channel, I do have a Ko-fi and a Patreon account set up. The details are up here on screen. Next video I will be doing will be my LOZ birthday haul. I recently purchased 20 new LOZ kits with my birthday money. Yeah, I purchased them a bit earlier for my birthday, but that will be what the next video is. There's some really cool kits in that one, so check that one out. But until then, please stay safe, stay weird, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.